Hey guys, today we're going to do some more coding. I think I'm in the wrong place. I think I'm going to just try to... Kian, don't do that. I think we were around 7. I don't know, I don't remember, guys. I think so, yeah, this is the thing. So we need to go. We should turn left. So I'm the Angry Bird, so we're going up the way. We're going up the way and going down. So we're going left. Then we should turn right. Wait. If I remember this correctly, we have to put a forward in. We then put the right. Yeah, he's on Kian Gellum because now he has his own YouTube channel. So yeah, he's on the phone with me. I can't show you because I don't have my screen on. Okay, so we turned right. Now we need 1, 2, 3 to go. So repeat. Forward. 3. Even let's turn right. And then we can go forward. Okay, we're going. Yay, we did it. Continue. Now let's go to number 8. So skip for now. I'm ready for the challenge. Okay, this is the challenge. It's time to get angry. Challenge. This code is lost. Oh, wow. Yeah, you have. Okay, so forward, then right. That is correct. Then go, wait. So, let's do run first and see how this works. Goes that, turns right, moves forwards, he then blows up. Okay, I see. Okay, fine. I'm going to just fix this, so. Okay. Remove that one. Okay, so that's going to be there.
Channel, remember, subscribe to mine. I'm Natalia. It's a space art blocks. She does stuff with Roblox, she does Slumdog, she does Angry Birds, she does everything. I'm showing you this. This is called Rainboard. Now this, I've never done this before, hardly. And I've just got 5 minutes video with this from Kelly. Anyway, let's get on to this video.
Come on now, pick up.
You do this with your lips. Roll like this.
Oh, there. It goes all the way there. Now we're going to have to turn right. That's correct. Then we have to go that way. So let's remove this. And let's run. Stop calling me Antoni!
Nie, to ty do niej dzwonisz. Co mówisz, że ona do ciebie?
Wait, so
Jej.
forward,
Do kogo
forward,
dzwonisz? No wyłącz to. Do kogo dzwonisz?
right.
Jak nie? Natalia ma cały czas. Antek.
Wait, I don't understand. I'm going to just
Daj,
skip
ja
this
to zrobię
puzzle.
sama, jak nie umiesz.
Yeah, I just skipped the puzzle. So I'm going to have to move
Ja robię.
forward.
Daj ten telefon.
Oh, come on. Okay, let's go back. Let's call Kelly now.
Ja,
Kelly, I'm
wiesz
in
co
now.
robisz?
Okay. Want to add drift. Kelly picks up Kian. Okay, so you move. We need to turn right.
Nie połączenia, do kogo chcesz dzwonić? No Natalia już wie, że do niej dzwonisz. Rozmawia, no to widzi.
Okay, Let's turn right. Let's repeat going forward for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Yeah, come on, Kian, just pick up with us.
Ojejku.
Okay, then we should move.
Co?
We should turn right again, even
Zadzwoń
forward.
do taty i powiedz, ja tam nie wiem. Zadzwoń do
Okay.
taty i powiedz, że nie chcesz jej.
Kelly's on with us. Okay, Kian, I'm not going to call you back. Okay, continue. Okay, left. Wait. Left. That would be facing to me. Then taking another left. Moving forward. That doesn't make any sense. Pick up, pick up. And now I'm trying to add Kian again. Okay, so read through the code below very carefully. What will happen, do you think? Run. The bird will end up one step short of the pig, so it's going to be left, left, forward, left, 1, 2, 3. I'll make it to there. Yay, I did it right. I continue. It's taking forever, so Kian will pick up. You're eating your burger. Oh wow, okay. Okay then. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have a lot of repeating, so repeat. How much repeats can I put in repeat? That's my question. Because I'm going okay, this looks too crazy. I'm not going to do that. Okay, I think at least. Okay. I'm going to use 3. Forward. Turn right. That's good. Okay, I'm going to repeat. So 1, 2, 3 again. 3. Forward. And now time to turn left. Repeat. For 3 again, because it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 forward. Oh no, my hand hurt because of that. It's sticky. Yay! Okay, let's click X. Let's go back to coding thing. What? Yes, I'm on next level. I'm going to just skip the,
Guess what sauce this is?
I don't know.
Neither do I.
First trying something new every time. I just click. Okay, time to do level 2. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Well, oh, this. We just need to. You can add a repeater. That way, and just put 3 in. Hi. You're funny. Okay. Wow. Okay. Don't know. Plus, do you know I'm doing a video? Okay, guys, I think this is it because this is a super long video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you haven't, or thumbs up the video and share with your friends, and hopefully you enjoy. Bye. So yeah.